I just, parang nablanko ako.
Ayaw mo yan, girl.
Feeling ko kanakuha na ako ni Lord na may gusto. Julia's Kitchen is back. So, I am now on season 2. Thank you sa mga nag-approach kanina who appreciated the gimmick reunion that happened in Julia's Kitchen. Nakatapos ako na I have a series with Eric Mati called Call My Manager. Ito yung Philippine adaptation ng Call My Agent. And then I'm doing Batman 3 with Arjo. Medyo patapos naman na sila. And hopefully, for MMFF, I'd be having an entry, hopefully with Chikaron, yung horror movie. So, ngayon, after 5 years, ngayon na uli ako gagawa ng pelikula, but after almost 2 decades, ngayon na ako uli gagawa ng horror. So, medyo